My mom said I was an alcoholic.
I mean, you are drinking and you were in jail.
You're drinking on a Monday night.
Just not
It is a Tuesday, and I work for a fucking month straight. So therefore, I have a 15-day weekend. So y'all can go fuck yourselves. Compared to the court date. They said, yeah, it's a $1,500.
Hey, Mom, something come in the mail today.
Yeah, don't spill any beer on my couch.
Yeah, you fucking bitch.
Money in the bank, God, it was think about that. I'm in a gray Cadillac, she in the bed like.
Sucks.
But it'll be right.
True. And I hate it because it's not going to be done until I'm back on the boat. And that fucking sucks because I really want to hear it. I want to see it run. Hey, if I knew what the fuck I was doing, I'd help you. But all I know how to do is drink beer.
You talk too much.
And when they're a whore, I don't fucking talk to them long enough to find out they're a whore until afterwards. And then all my friends tell me that I fucked them. And I'm like, well, fuck, they're fucking whores. So fuck it, you know? Fucking whores. God damn. And I say, yeah, babe, I'll quit drinking. As I fucking cracked open another beer. Or Easton. God damn, what the fuck is he doing over there?
Because the can.
God damn.
That should be pretty close. No. From up in here. Can't get on it. No, just get out.
You said it's 550 lift in the area, the 560.
Mine and Easton's truck match, they both have this little ding. That's
How
stop.
you gonna put that camera
That's
on?
ramming anything that gets in front of you. He will too, look at him. He's hanging out.
Line up with me in the middle.
Oh my god! That's so I can pull 18 wheelers.
Do you just back up and hook up trains with that?
Yeah.
If they don't say you're from Arkansas, nothing does. They need some nuts that ain't from
Bug goes up on a Tuesday.
He knows.
I almost thought about going to beat-ups tonight, but then I was like, you know, I'm gonna go to fucking Paragould and hang out.
He knows all
How are you
about
gonna go
the-
to B-Dubs?
he
You only
knows
have
all about the
$40.
love and it's going up.
He said, I could go to B-Dubs with $40.
Well, I was balling fucking Sunday at the vault, dude. I was balling.
What happened?
He was
Balling
buying
all
his
your money
bitches
out?
money.
He's balling all the
Alright.
dudes up there.
And then fucking spent all my money on beer, bought like 2 girls fucking
He's
breakfast.
like, which
at
one are
Waffle
you
House.
coming home with me?
I don't know, buy me a few more beers.
Those are LS3?
Those are LY6.
Oh, so you lied to me.
At least I didn't put them on there and fuck shit up.
I fuck anything up. I bet you let it ride like that.
Okay, let's just let it ride like this. You probably wouldn't make it out of the driveway. It ran for a little bit.
It won't run right now at all.
Yeah, it ain't got no cool backs.
That ain't the only reason. You're missing some key components right there that open and close valves.
Nope, no need rockers. I made it a thing that's called non-rockers. You don't smoke. Keep your springs from binding up.